Jewelries combine artistic ability and fashion consciousness with excellent hand-eye coordination and finger and hand dexterity. There is no hard and fast road to becoming a jeweler. Some jewelers pursue higher degrees and certifications in the field, while others say going straight to work is the best choice. Whatever education path you pursue, networking, on-the-job training, and self-marketing will get you on your way to becoming the next jewelry industry success story. A career as a jeweler doesn't require an advanced degree, but many design and trade schools offer degree programs that range in length from 6 months to 1 year. Pursuing a degree can give you a well-rounded and general knowledge of jewelry making or help you choose a specialization such as design or metallurgy. In a jeweler degree program, you will learn how to make and repair jewelry, set stones of different sizes, and work with new technologies for more precise cutting. Search for jeweler degree programs online. Most offer applications that can be filled out and sent in online. There are programs across the country and the world in countries including Italy and Netherlands and New Zealand. Teach yourself the basics of jewelry making. Many successful jewelers describe themselves as self-taught, learning their craft by experimenting with making jewelry and getting a job in the industry. Some jewelers get their start after earning a degree in another field and growing a jewelry business as a side hobby. If an advanced degree in jewelry making isn't for you, start making pieces on your own time and experiment to see what works. Meet as many people in the jewelry industry as you can, other jewelers, jewelry designers, salespeople, gallery owners. Tell them that you want to become a jeweler and ask them for advice. When a job opens up, let them know you are available and ready to learn. Start small and work your way up in the jewelry industry. On-the-job training will be one of the most important learning opportunities you receive in your career as a jeweler. Accept any job offer you receive from a jeweler store or gallery, even if it means you will be making sales on the floor or polishing jewels in the back. A job as a salesperson can give you valuable experience in interacting with customers and learning what they are looking for and help you expand your network in the meantime. Many jewelers in training start out as polishers and gain valuable on-the-job experience through informal apprenticeships in manufacturing facilities, retail stores, or repair shops. Learn from jewelers already in the business. Even if you are working as a salesperson, ask to observe and learn from the store's bench jeweler or gemologist. Soak up all the knowledge you can from these professionals who have had success in the industry. Thanks for watching. Until next time.